The Herald Standard presents the game of the week tonight. Charleroi visits Fraser. Emily Marshall kicks off the scoring for the Fraser Commodores, who are vying for a section title. But not to be outdone, Adriana Gottheld says, 2? Is that all you can do? How about 3? The Cougars have the early lead and would hold the lead until Brooke Poling made the go-ahead late in the second. But the Cougars' Allison Lee would tie it up with a last-second 3 from the outside. In the third, suddenly, the Fraser girls start to pull away. Lauren Mostowski. And it wasn't until the middle of the fourth before Caitlin Riley and the Cougars tighten up the gap. And then bam! Another 3 by Adriana makes it a real game. But this score and foul shot by Lauren Mostowski would be the beginning of the end. And this game winds down 59-52. Fraser making a very happy Coach Poling.
All right, Ken, first of all, you have to be very, very happy. Your girls turned around an earlier loss down at Charleroi, and they came back with a big win tonight.
The crowd was tremendous. Probably one of the biggest crowds we've had for a girls' game in probably a very long time. And the girls came out. They were just so excited. They weren't nervous. They were just so excited to be in the position we are to fight for the section. And we came out and we used some bench. Some girls came off the bench and gave us some points and some energy that we needed. I'm just so proud of the whole group, the way we played defense, because they're a very good shooting team, very, very well coached, and I think our defense overall, our rebounding, and with Hannah Fell inside, wow, she's something else.
Yeah, I mean, she had a very big game for you, but I was going to mention, you got in a little bit of foul trouble. You had to go to the bench, and the 2 girls came in for you, came up with some big minutes and some key points at important times during the game.
Yes, absolutely, and that's what we expect of them. And when they come in, they give us energy, and I don't expect them to play any less as if they were a starter or a backup coming in. I expect them. I believe in them. I believe in all of them. So.
Now, who was that coming off the bench for you again?
Christina Barch came off the bench. Lauren came off the bench. Mostowski and Sophie Shahan came in for a little bit. So they gave us some valuable minutes that get some girls some rest, and then we're in foul trouble with them.
Is this team? Are they coming along like you would hope this year? It seemed like they've gotten a little bit better during the course of the year. That's what you were looking for.
Absolutely. You want to be playing your best ball down the stretch towards the end of the year. It was a little bit of a roller coaster up and down throughout the season, but I think we're starting to come together right now. So hopefully we play Washington. If we get a big win, we'll get a section, and then get ready for the playoffs.
All right. Well, good luck then.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.